How to fix a Snapchat camera problem. There might be several reasons why Snapchat camera is not working. So firstly, what I would suggest you to do is to go to Play Store or App Store and search for Snapchat and make sure that your Snapchat is updated to the latest version. If you don't have your Snapchat updated to the latest version, you will be able to see an update button here. But if it's updated and it's up to date, the next thing to do is to go to Settings and go to your Apps and click on Manage App and search for Snapchat. And here in the app permissions, make sure that camera is allowed and it is not on the option here and the not allowed. And this should basically help to solve your problem. So if you find this tutorial helpful, just subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Till then, I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.